Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, I shall discuss about SRN1 mechanism in aromatic nucleophilic substitution. The SRN1 reaction is defined by a unimolecular substitution reaction involving radical anion. The SRN1 mechanism was discovered by accident when a strange anomaly in the alkylation of aliphatic nitro compounds by alkyl halide was observed. In 1949, Hayes et al. Performed a routine alkylation of 2-nitropropane with 4-nitrobenzyl chloride. The product was obtained mainly C-alkylated compound. SRN1 reaction proceed by two mechanism. One is the chain mechanism and second one is the non-chain mechanism. The chain mechanism is initiated by a single electron transfer from a chemical catalyst or an external electron source to the substrate, which produce a radical anion. Since this SRN1 reaction is preceded by chain reaction, therefore the three steps in this mechanism. First one is the chain initiation step, in which the aryl halide react with electron and form a radical anion, aryl halide radical anion, and this aryl halide radical anion in the second step, propagation step, dissociate into aryl radical and halide anion. This aryl radical react with nucleophile and forms nucleophilic substituted aryl anion radical, and this anion radical react with another molecule of aryl halide and form nucleophilic substituted aromatic compounds and another molecule of aryl halide anion radical. This ARX anion radical dissociate into aryl radical and halide anion, and in this way the chain is propagated. So the overall reaction can be written as ARX plus Y minus Y is the nucleophile, and therefore the ARY, it means nucleophilic aromatic substituted compound is produced and halide anion is formed. This reaction mechanism can also be depicted as this manner, cyclic manner. Here this is the aryl halide. The electron donor reagents such as any catalyst or photochemically, it can be initiated and the aryl halide convert into the anion radical. This anion radical dissociate into the, or in other words we can say it convert into or it release anion X minus and forms aryl radical. This aryl radical attacked by the nucleophile and form nucleophilic substituted aryl anion radical. This aryl anion radical react with another molecule of aryl halide and forms the nucleophilic substituted aromatic compound and the aryl halide anion radicals, and this also dissociate into aryl radicals and halide anion. This aryl radical react with nucleophile and form this type of the aryl anion. In this way, the chain is continuously propagated. The chain is terminated by the reaction of any compound RH. RH means alkane, and the aryl radical abstract a proton as a hydrogen as a free radical and form the aromatic compound simple benzene here is formed. In this way, the SRN1 mechanism is proceed in the aryl halide, and after reaction the nucleophilic substituted product is formed. Another example of SRN1 chain mechanism is when 5-iodo-1,2,4-trimethylbenzene is treated with KNH2 in liquid ammonia. The compound second and third is produced in ratio 0.63 to 1 ratio. This reaction is proceed by benzene mechanism, but when 6-iodo-1,2,4-trimethyl benzene is subjected to reaction with potassium amide KNH2 in liquid ammonia, the compound second and third is produced in the ratio 5.9 to ratio 1. Perhaps this reaction is proceeds by another mechanism in addition to benzene mechanism. This another mechanism is SRN1 mechanism. If this reaction is proceed by benzene mechanism, then the ratio of second and third compound will be 1 ratio 1 ratio. So we can say the reaction in this reaction, in addition to benzene mechanism, a free radical mechanism is also operating during the mechanism. This reaction can also be supported by the some evidences. The addition of potassium metal, a good producer of solvated electron in liquid ammonia, completely suppress the Sine substitution, that is also called as benzene mechanism. Addition of radical scavengers, which would suppress a free radical mechanism, lead to second and third ratio much closer to 1.462 to ratio 1. Some 1,2,4-trimethylbenzene was found among the product, which could easily be formed by the abstraction of hydrogen by Ar radical from the solvent liquid ammonia. Besides initiation by solvated electrons, SRN1 reaction have been initiated photochemically, electrically and even thermally. The another mechanism for SRN1 reaction is non-chain mechanism. This mechanism is found very rare. Non-chain SRN1 reaction occur in solvent cages, which are defined as a region of space which includes the reacting species surrounded by solvent molecule. The solvent case restrict the movement of reactive intermediates, thereby not allowing a propagation, while stepwise substitution occurred, giving rise to product formation only. Following is an example of non-chain SRN1 mechanism. Here it is 2-nitroiodobenzene react with nucleophile CMe3 C double bond O CH2 minus. The reaction of this nucleophile with this aryl halide forms this type of the anion radical, and the free radical CMe3 C double bond O CH2 free radical. This anion radical gives the radical this type, and the iodine is liberated as iodide ion. This this radical and this radical react with each other and form the finally nucleophilic substituted product. An example of photo-stimulated reaction, the reactant 3-chlorophenyl trimethylammonium iodide efficiently in 30 minutes give 1,3-bis trimethylstenyl benzene in good yield 85%. It is also the example of SRN1 mechanism. There are some another examples for SRN1 mechanism in case of heterocyclic systems are these: that 3-bromothiophene react with CH2 minus CN nucleophile in liquid ammonia. It forms the substituted nucleophilic substituted product, and also the 2-bromopyridine react with CH2 minus COCH3. The Br removes and the CH2COCH3 nucleophile attached at the position 2 and nucleophilic substituted product is formed. In this way, the another reagent heterocyclic compound, this one, react with CH2 minus COPH in the presence of sunlight and form the nucleophilic substituted product. Thank you.